Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the past, companies used to store all their data manually in books, records, and paper files. Every employee record, every salary detail was written by hand. But this had made problems. Data could get lost, too hard to search for the specific data. If you want to change some data, it took a lot of time. But today, we don't do that anymore. We use databases to store our information digitally, faster, safer, easier to manage. And the most common language we use to work with the databases is SQL. So today I will show you a step by step how to create a table in SQL and insert the data into it. Let's get started. So I have opened a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here we are going to create a table and insert the data into it. So how we are going to actually do the practical way? So here you can see there is the option new query. Click on this. So it will pop up a window. Here in this video, this is where we have to write the query. So for creating a table, employees table, how we can write a query? First, you need to write a create command. Create table, then you can write a table name. The table name is employees. Then you have to use the brackets, and inside the bracket you will write a column names. Which column names you should have to put in your employees tables? The most common is, first one is employee ID column, integer, and this is a primary key. If you don't know about what is primary key, I have already created a short video, go and check it out. Comma, and the second one is name is varchar 50. So name varchar 50, I already created a short video about what is varchar. So go and check it out, and now I will tell you a short. So varchar is a variable length. Like varchar 50 means you have the access of to store the 50 characters, not more than that. Up to 50 characters you can able to store in the name column. And the third column name is department varchar 50. So this will also as simple as that. So varchar 50 means you can able to store the letters up to 50 for the department column. Salary column should be decimal 10 comma 2. What does mean this? Decimal is a data point, so we can store the salary with the 10 digits, up to 10 digits. After point we can able to store 2 digits only. Okay, and one more is phone number. Phone should be a char 10. Char means it is a fixed length. It means beyond the 10 numbers you can't able to store beyond the 10 letters. Even though if you can mention the two numbers, it will store the 10 characters. This is how we can able to create a employees table, and you can just execute this table. So click on just execute, and you will see here command completely successful. So it means, so we have successfully create our employees table. Congratulations, we are going to insert the data into the employees table. So for inserting the data into the employees table, we have to use the insert command. Insert into, like with the column names, employee id comma name comma department comma salary comma phone. And here we are going to mention the values. which values that we are going to store the employees. So here the employee ID would be 110, the employee name is Ravi, and department he is working in IT department, and salary, how much salary he is getting, and the salary, in the salary column he is getting a 50,000 salary, he is getting a 50,000 salary, and his phone number is star. And now we are going to store one more employee details. Employee ID would be 111, and employee name is Rajesh, and he's working, the department is working in sales department, and he is getting the salary of 25,000. Sorry, I mentioned for the numerical data these codes. I am just removing those codes. We will use for these single quotes or the double quotes for the string or the text type data only. Remember this. We can't able to use this quote, single or double quotes, for the numerical data. Okay, and salary would be 25,000, and his contact number is 123456789. One more employee details that we are going to store in the employees table. So the employee ID is 112, comma, his name is Raju, and which department he is working, he is working in HR department, and his salary is getting around 55,000, and his contact number is 4768910. And now we have successfully created the insert into, by using insert into command, that we are going to insert these three employees data in the employees table. And now I am going to execute this. So it is showing there is already an object employee in the database, so we have already created the database. So let's just select this one only and just execute. So you can see here 3 rows are affected. 3 rows are affected. It means this three employees data was added in the employees table. For checking whether this query has successfully run or not, you can use a select command, select star from employees, and just run the query. Just select the query and just execute, and you can see here we have successfully create our table with the 3 employees detail. So here the employee ID, with the employee IDs column, name column, the 3 names are there, and departments IT, sales, HR department, and salary would be 50,000, 25,000, and 55,000, and phone number would be like this. So this is how we can create a table and insert the data into the table. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new out of this video. So we will meet in another video with the new concept. Thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me for more SQL or data related content. Jai Hind.